Clock control chaos. Imagine if your alarm clock only rang at 4 a.m., no matter what time you needed to wake up. That was reality for people in the 18th century when the first alarm clocks hit the scene. These clocks didn't care about your schedule. You had to adapt your entire morning routine around theirs. If you wanted to sleep in, tough luck. The bell would still jolt you awake before sunrise. Early risers thrived, but everyone else suffered through bleary-eyed mornings. The clock was in charge, and people just had to keep up.